Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete duplicate contact on Samsung. So if at the end of this you find this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete duplicate contact on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the contact application. It should say the number of duplicate contact you have at the top, like this. And if this is missing, all you need to do is click on the three dots at the top right. Locate and click on settings. Under settings, come to see manage contact. Click on merge duplicate contact. Then if you have any duplicate contact by mail or by name, you'll be able to merge them. However, at the top of the contact here, just go ahead and click on merge. Then you'll be able to merge or delete duplicate contact on your Samsung phone. And then you are good. So if you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.